Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix your watch history is off. So guys, when you open your YouTube in your phone and facing this type of issue, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to click on update settings, and guys now you can see this type of interface will be open. So guys, simply you need to click on turn on, and guys after this you need to wait for a few seconds. So guys now you need to go back, and guys after this you need to open again your YouTube, and guys wait for a few seconds. Within few seconds your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, simply you need to open your settings in your iPhone, and guys you need to click on general, and guys click on iPhone storage, and guys here you need to find YouTube. So guys wait for a few seconds. So guys you need to click on show all if still not find, and guys here you will find YouTube. So guys now I am going to show you YouTube on my phone. So guys now here you can see simply you need to click on YouTube and click on offload app and click on offload, and after doing offload you need to reinstall again from your app store, and guys after doing this you need to go back, and guys after doing this simply you need to open your app store in your iPhone or iPad, and guys after this you need to update your YouTube app from app store, and guys after doing update your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.